guys, what's up? So today you're cooking with me. So let me get my headphones together. Make sure I get my hair out the way, because you guys are cooking with me. D-O-double-G. Alright. So today we're making spaghettis. Okay. So I just filled up this pot with water. If I can get the salt to open, because I don't have nails at all. And there we go. Okay, I got it. So you're supposed to put a little salt in there to make sure it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna do salt and oil, basically, guys. So I don't know how I'm gonna hold this. And, yeah, that's just how we're gonna hold it. And I'm gonna move our hand. Right? Boom. Right? And then we're gonna go in the cabinet, see what we can find. You need oil, and oil. Do a little bit of that. Still look enough. Just because it's still a little oily. Right. We're gonna let this cook. Grab a knife from over here and just stir it up, you know. Make sure that salt doesn't stick to the pan, the oil doesn't, you know, basically. And that's what we're gonna do with that. I'm gonna actually turn it up, and gonna get top from out of the jar. I think this is big enough. Let's see. Yeah, this is big enough. It's actually a little too big, but let's go. Okay, I'm gonna wash it. Okay. So, we got this. About to put you guys right here. Got some soap. Some soap in my hand. We got this. Just regular ground beef, right? Okay, now that I've washed my hands, I'm gonna grab a napkin so I can dry off my hands. I was gonna look for 3, but 2 only came out, so I had to grab that last one. I tore it off halfway. So, alright, guys. Alright, so we also have our spaghetti. I don't know if you guys see this. I know you guys can't see me because it's front camera. So we got this regular spaghetti. Then we got this linguine. Yeah, you guys can't read that. Okay, linguine, right? So another one's spaghetti, and then the other one's linguine. So 2 spaghettis, and then 1 linguine, because I'm still not sure what the difference is between the 2. There's a difference. I'm not sure what they are. Yeah. And then in my household, we use ragu, so we have the organic one, right? And I'm mixing up the regular one too. And we're gonna have, as far as the meat, both. We're making meatballs and regular, like, ground beef. Like, that's the way we do it in our house. We just put regular ground beef with it and just, you know, put it in there. But today I think I'm gonna actually do that too. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. And you know what? I'm gonna wash my hands over again, because I actually have to put my hair in a ponytail because of the fact that it still gets everywhere, as far as my hair. And to be honest, I just might like my hair for that. Okay. The water is getting way too hot, which means that once I wash my hands, it's gonna be too hot. Okay. So correct. One more. Okay. Alright. So, guys, okay. So, I'm washing my hands again. Okay. And I have gloves too. For one, I do 3 balls. I told you about the hot water issue. Okay, so I've actually never made meatballs, so just kind of work with me. I know I need eggs, bread crust, and season. My brother is right now playing Legos. He's actually putting them back, but he loves Legos, so. Okay, so basically, I guess I'll take you guys with me as I go on this little trip. So we got the water right now, you know, just doing its thing. So we're gonna let it continue to do its thing. And we're gonna grab some stuff out the cabinet that I didn't get to grab before. So I said we needed breadcrumbs, which is basically crackers. So we're kind of making like a meatloaf when it comes to meatballs. And I don't know if we actually have crackers. I hope we do. Because if we don't, I think I'm just gonna do it the regular way. And if I do it the regular way, then I have no culinary genius. Yeah, we gotta do it the regular way. Yeah, regular way. Nothing big of a deal. Okay, so first off, let's see about these sauces though. See if we got like any more sauces that we want to put in there. So, okay, my bad. Alright, these 2 things dropped. Actually, everybody in the house yesterday ate salads. They were delicious. Okay, like delicious. So we've got this one. So the 2 aren't enough, then I'll do 3, and that's because that's the one with the meat flavor. And we have another traditional and another organic. Actually, we have 2 traditionals and 1 organic. So, but we don't need those. We know for sure we don't need those. So, and let me close it properly. Okay, so basically, I guess what I'm gonna start doing is kind of like coming up with, I don't know, right? Gonna give you guys some up balance here. Okay, so I guess get a knife from out of here, wash that knife off, right? Got the knife, okay, and that's come with me. That's still boiling. Wash out the pan, you know, rinse it off, make sure it's clean. I already washed it, but I just want to make sure that we rinse it off with some water. Okay, so this is basically like, I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna do it right here on the sink, because I really don't need a cutting board because it's meat and I'm not physically taking it apart, you know. So yeah, okay, so we just kind of take this, you know, take it apart. Okay, yeah, all that stuff is good on the inside. Okay, so all right, now we're gonna turn on our, no, that's the front. We need the rear, and we're gonna turn that on 8. We're gonna look at our water. So we're gonna just turn it on high, and we're gonna have our fan on low because the alarms are very sensitive in this house. That's the doorknob. Okay, that's the knife. Yeah, the water is definitely getting hot. You can totally feel it. It's starting to heat up. So that's going to be a while before that's even done or close to done. And then we take our meat and we start putting this down in there. So you guys can see I'm just kind of taking some of this extra meat off. It got stuck up top. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's everything in there. Alright, so I need like a fork or something. Like, yeah, this could work. I use these little wooden ones just because the wood ones are a little better for me. Okay, and we're just gonna take this apart in here, basically, right? And as we're taking it apart, that's all we're doing. We're just kind of spreading it out evenly, right? Oh, I think this can work. Can this work? Hold up. Maybe not. Hold up. Maybe not. I don't think so. But you guys can see some, so it's perfect for me. Okay, we're just pulling the meat apart right now. We're just chopping it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like, you're just taking it out the shape so that way all the meat can cook evenly, basically. And yeah, I'm trying to make sure that I want the food to be done by like 8, by 7 actually. So yeah, okay, we're starting to get some of that. Yeah, okay, that's done. So cumin, just because I like the way it tastes. If you guys heard me in my other video, my barbecue chicken one, I use cumin. It's just such a like a taco smell. I'm gonna use some smoked sea salt, but not too much because I don't like a lot of salt. Some more food. This Red Robin seasoning. If you ever gone to Red Robin, then you know exactly what's in here. My grandmother ripped out the things. I cannot tell you. You see this? It's all gone. Like, but I also know there's also salt in that. This is more spice, less. This is more like a Cajun seasoning, right? My dad literally just got some all natural seasoning, so I guess I'm gonna use that just to see how that goes into food. So see, by the people who make salt. Okay, so that's everything like seasoned basically. And I normally like season sometimes afterwards. It really all depends like on like really the food or how I think the food is cooking. Because I really don't season by like I season by like my sense. By my sense. Like not my eyesight basically. Like however I feel like, and then that's when it comes perfect. Because my people say that I cook pretty well. And yeah, you guys should totally go subscribe to like DMB Nation for sure, guys. Like for real, I really love their channel. You know, and let them know that I'm out here cooking. Okay, as a DMB Nationer. Okay, like a part of the DMB fam. Like yes, I've been a part of their fam for a long time. So let's see, is this water boiling yet? No, it is not boiling. I think I'm gonna go grab the spoon for this one. Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna stir it, you know. Yeah. I'm trying to see if it's hot, but I can't really tell. It's not really giving me like a hot sense. That feels a little hot, but very sticky actually. It's kind of weird. Yeah. Okay. Okay, just gonna put the top back on that and put the spoon right here. Okay, now as you see, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like starting to smoke. Yeah, you guys can see it. I can tell you guys can see it. But basically, guys, like I'm just like I can see it definitely needs more seasoning because it's like not enough, right? And like I wanna, yeah, it doesn't have enough seasoning, so more seasoning would do in there. And there's maybe some more natural seasoning because I mean, natural is always something that we're looking for like seasoning. So. Okay guys, so we're cooking it. The meat is like half pink, half brown, so definitely means that we need to like start mixing it up just a little bit more and chopping it up because I can definitely tell like some spots are missing. Bring some of those ends in. So, alright. I'm gonna let this cook for a minute. I want you guys to see what I'm talking about right here. I'll let this cook for a minute. I'm about to bring in the noodles right now. Oh, yeah, that's hot. That's hot. I just had a splash hit my foot. That was hot. Okay, guys. So, this is the linguine box. Okay. So the difference between spaghetti and linguine is the fact that this is more straight, right? But I want long spaghetti more. No, I don't. Not this time. I'll guess what the linguine y'all gonna have. Yep, and I just dropped like one spaghetti. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of dump it in there. We're gonna already see that some of it is cooking, so that's just gonna be straight in there. Oh, don't hit me, don't hit me. Okay. And we're gonna open up the other box of spaghetti. I think 2 boxes is fine, actually. Like, at first, I was looking at it like, oh, it's not gonna be enough of like spaghetti and stuff, but it looks like it will be. Unless do you really want that much noodles? No, probably not. So, yeah. We're just gonna kind of dump it in there. If they'll let us. Okay, so we're just gonna dunk it in there. He'll let us. See? Like we're just kind of pressing down on it, and they're going in. Yeah. Okay, that's too high. We'll just turn that down to 8. Okay, so that way we can like kind of get these noodles really in there with it. Okay, there we go. So the noodles are in there. We're gonna let those cook. And we're gonna put the top over it. After all that water is in the floor. Oh. That was basically like something was stuck in my throat. Okay, yeah. Spoon again. Okay. Like, look at the spaghetti. It's like definitely gonna come out right because we're just doing the long ones and I'm not doing the short ones like my mom and Dad do. I'm doing the long ones because I want to be able to do the whole rolling it around. So we're gonna put it on 7 now, and I'm gonna let that just kind of like do what it do. And we're checking on the meat, as you guys can see, right? And we're basically just gonna be cutting this up just a little bit more. And I'll get to you guys when I feel like the meat and both the spaghetti is done. So be back with y'all, okay? So be back in just a second, and we're back. So this is actually a piece of spaghetti, but I heard a myth that if you take a piece of spaghetti, right, like a string like this, and you throw it on the wall and it sticks, it's done. So, alright, that's the wall. This is the spaghetti. I think we're done. That sticked like more than anything, like almost like sticky paste jig. Okay, we're gonna just take that. We're gonna wrap that in a napkin. But let me give it like maybe these next 3 minutes because I did put it on the timer. Eventually, as you can see, it does look done. But to make sure it's done, and I think it actually has that, like if I can swirl it, look. I can swirl it. See? Something my parents' pasta never lets me do. Swirl it. So, I'm taking some napkins because this is really, really hot. Okay, guys? Really hot. Like, really hot. Okay? And there's a linguine already in here. So you can tell the difference between a linguine. You see? It's like straighter. But then look at the spaghetti. It's more of like a rounder fill. Alright, so I'm gonna test the linguine too. See? It's only holding on right here and here. And it still holds up. Yeah, look. So that's sticky. Now we're throwing in charge right there. So we got a minute left on this pasta. So luckily, nothing sticking at the bottom. Where's this pasta? This meat, I do need to move it around just a little bit. It smells really good. I had put some more cumin in there. So I'll see you guys once I dump the oils out, because that's going to be difficult with just one hand. Because as you can see, I'm set up in both sinks. So actually I need another bowl. Alright, you know what, I got this. Because the meat is going in this bowl, and I can't throw the meat out, clearly, because of the oil. I was almost about to forget that, guy. Almost. But I would have remembered. It's me. So, the meat is going in that one, and then the pasta is going in that one. Just because there's a lot of pasta, and we got like 30 seconds left on this pasta. So, I'll see you guys when I'm done with it. Okay? Swap my chef. More cumin though. I really like, because I'm not getting like a sense really of the cumin so much, or of like any of the other seasonings. So that's why I like really trying to season it, because I know like some of the seasoning kind of like cooks off, you know. And that was the timer for that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So bye. And we're back. So guys, right now I done already seasoned the pasta itself. Because I wanted to get some of that actual seasoning inside the pasta. And now I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. Now we're gonna start actually opening the cans. So give it a minute. Oh, top view of me opening the cans. Right. And me draining out some of this oil that's in here. And you see I'm pouring it back in there. Right, so we're just gonna pour a little bit at a time right now. Right, basically, this is the meat sauce, meat flavor. And we're going to take some of that and pour it in there. So, okay.